So, Ritu ma'am, have you observed any one common limitation which have been set by people?
Absolutely. One universal is, I'm not okay. Huh? Or I have very low self-worth.
Not having the feeling
That
of
underlies almost everything. Yeah. My personal value. Now, really tell me, the moment we look at ourselves with a value, doesn't our behavior change?
it does.
Why will I choose to be? An alcoholic or a drug addict? Yeah.
True.
Yeah, we are all looking for value. It's the same thing everywhere. People express it in different ways. Yeah. Some will express it as a relationship problem, some as a health issue, some as some fears, phobias, addictions, obsessions, all kinds of things people express it as. But when you come down to it, deep, deep, deep down into your cellular memory, we are all the same.
True.
Yeah,
True.
we have certain obstructions in the way we look. So we are actually our perceptions. Yeah, you look at one thing and you may get scared that, arey, that's a snake. I may look at the same thing and say, arey, that's just a rope. Right?
True.
So it is our ability to see that I am working on in a very gentle and a very, very non-intrusive way. In my session, you are not forced to do anything. You have come here as a seeker. You want something, right? That's why you're here.
Correct.
It is my job to facilitate your ability to find that. Yeah.
True.
So my job is to shine the light on all those dark spaces that you have not been able to see.
True.
Yeah.
True. Yeah, I guess I too have noticed, and I guess this feeling I've noticed more in the generations which have directly entered the social media era, which is that I am not enough. And that gets more dominant when they keep coming to their social media accounts and keep seeing what their friends or their families have been doing. And their feeling gets more inculcated with them that I'm not enough, I'm not enough, I'm not enough.
Yep.
True.
In fact, there's a blog I write regularly, and I just finished writing the same thing. And the title of it is Chasing Happiness.
That's nice. That's nice.
So, yeah, the chase is on and nothing can ever be enough.
True.
No job, no relationship, no possession. Nothing can be enough because someone else will always have more.
Yes.
Than you. Yeah. So we're looking in the wrong place.
Yes. There will always be someone who's bigger than you.
I teach you. Yeah. So I change the lens with which you see. Actually, it's called bloodless brain surgery.
That's a nice term.
Yeah.
That's a nice term and that's a nice term and a more comforting term for the patient.